Hi, welcome to my video resume. I am Asadul Islam Soboj. I am currently an engineering student pursuing Bachelor of Science in Electrical and Electronics Engineering at Daffodil International University. I am highly interested in technology, electronics, and continuous learning. I am completed my secondary school certificate from Birpatara BL High School, Nator in 2019, obtaining GPA 5 out of 5. Later, I completed my higher secondary certificate HSC from Shah Mukhtar College, Rajshahi in 2021, obtaining GPA 5 out of 5. After completing my HSC, I got admission to Daffodil International University in Electrical and Electronics Engineering to fulfill my dream becoming an engineer. I have some skills like on MS Office, PS Spice, C programming, MATLAB, regular member of IEEE and Robotics Club. In my free time, I enjoy with playing football, cricket, basketball. Traveling is my favorite hobby. In my school life, I participated various kinds of co-curriculum activities like debating club, cultural program, school tournament, and also some village games. Thanks for watching my video resume.
Here we go.